How we doing, everybody? Going to do a quick little rundown of some of my favorite knives. I absolutely love the camp knives, scout knives. It started with being a Cub Scout, continued with being a Scout Master and having my son in Cub Scouts, and I just absolutely love them. These are a few that I've picked up recently, few that I've already had for a while, and of course my Swiss Army knives. This little knife here, Imperial. I have not cleaned this one up yet. This is the project knife I want to work on with my grandson Luke. Hollow metal handles on it. It'd be a fun project. Look at the patina on that blade right there. Of course, there's rust, but I'm sure there's good patina underneath there. This is a little Camp King by Imperial. Just picked that up over this last week. It's missing a bail. If I can't find one, I can make one pretty easy. This one is 100% complete, in decent shape. I could put it on a buffer wheel or something and get rid of all those little blemishes, but sometimes you just gotta let an old knife be an old knife. This one here has some significant scarring where someone was trying to sharpen it. But all in all, still a good knife. The drill on this one is very sharp for punch, but it is a very effective drill. This one was good. This one could use a little work. This one here, this is by Utica. Look at that handle. That is absolutely beautiful. It's cracked. I'll have to stabilize it. We've kind of looked at that on a previous video. And this is, I figured out how to work this can opener. That's the dangerous one that lifted the lid up and caused a bunch of people to get hurt. So they ended up going with this lobster claw type after that. This is a Girl Scout knife. This is Cut Master. My wife had this when our girls were in Cub Scouts. And these handles have not shrunk, but these ones did. You can see it pulling away and shrinking down. Absolutely love this knife, even with shrunken handles and all. It is probably my favorite camp knife. Issued, it says a property of U.S. government on there, is a Camillus, and they sold them in surplus stores by the thousands. Then, of course, my Victorinox. This one here has Stephen Thompson's name on it. I got this for like $5 in a thrift store. Great knife. I love the saw on these. This saw is amazing. If you have not used one, go find a little tree limb and hack away at it. That works amazing. And we all know the rest of these blades. And then this one here's my Winger. Again, I like this saw on the Victorinox Swiss Army knife better than this one. The teeth can get bent pretty easy on these, but all in all, it's a pretty good knife. And there we have it, folks. Quick little summary of my camp knives. And until I see you again, please like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell. If anybody would like to have a Cheesy Moon workshop sticker, if you're going to do a sticker swap or something like that, leave a message in the comments and we'll make that happen. All right? So until next time, have a beautiful day.